Now I would request Barrister Farooq Zia Sheikh Sahab to add a few words. Barrister Farooq Zia Sheikh enrolled as an advocate for the Sindh Bar Council in 1989, and he was called by the Honourable Society of the Lincolns in London in 1991. He has lectured on various judicial issues, of course, and he has, of course, again, a former judge of the Honourable High Court of Sindh, Karachi. Sir, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, I just intend to, this was not intended, but I just want to take a few minutes. Alhamdulillah, the speeches made by the panelists were excellent, good, but I'm afraid I did not totally agreed with a lot of things, and since I am part of the jury, and I hope I'll be there after this speech. So I just wanted to make my views clear on how I think about it, so if I am the appropriate person to remain there or not. Number one, that I will not discuss anything political because I have always been a non-political person and I intend to die like that, number one. I think the problems which have been highlighted, you see, we have a solution to those problems ourselves. Everyone, the intention is that we want to improve the quality of our life. We want to be successful. We want to have security. We want our children to have nice future, right? Without sending them abroad, we can have good future for them in Pakistan. I would prefer that, and so would you. I don't want to leave my country. Yes, but if I have to send my children out to study, I would like them to come back. But why can't I make things better in Pakistan? Right, which will of course be also much cheaper for me, and my children will also be close to me and I'll be able to supervise them. Our basic problem is not, I repeat, our basic problem is not making new laws. Our basic problem is, our basic problem has been, and our basic problem will be, if we do not think differently, the implementation of laws. We are deviating from the rule of law and independence of judiciary. If we hold, वो कहते हैं ना अल्लाह की रस्सी को मजबूती से पकड़ें, तो कुरान मजीद के बाद हमारे पास हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है. We are bound by it. We have to hold on to the sacred book for us is the Quran Majid, the Holy Quran. उसके बाद हमारे लिए हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है. We have to hold fast to what the law of the land says. Rule of law is extremely important. We should never think about it. If we want to improve ourselves, 63 years, it is not a joke. We might not be very old, but if we are not young either. We have to make sure, just 5 minutes please, I know I am hungry as well. 63 years, things could have been better. Things are not bad. Miracles, I promise you, miracles will not happen anymore. Pakistan is already a miracle. Nargis 1000 साल और रोएगी, कोई नहीं पैदा होने वाला. और आप हैं heroes. It's like Tina Turner, we don't need another hero. We are the heroes. Heroes are already there. Do something for God's sake. If you want to improve something, do it. Stick to the rule of law. Stick to the laws you have. Implement them rather than making new laws. आपके पार्लियामेंट में पहले इतनी हर जगह पे गड़बड़ होती है, हर मुल्क में. आपको लॉ बनाते बनाते ही टाइम लग जाएगा. To cut a long story short, and nothing is above the law. As Denning in one of his books quoted famous the barristers, young barristers, they would recall in his Landmarks in Law or something, he said, "Be you never so high, the law is above you." I will just read a part of the Constitution. जब भी मैंने मुनीर साहब से मंगवाया अभी हाई कोर्ट से, तो जस्ट preamble is not at the moment being challenged anywhere. आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रियम्बल पहले ही कह रहा है, whatever our learned speakers are saying. I'll just read few bits from it. The constitution का preamble आपका कह रहा है, whereas sovereignty, please try and just concentrate on the words. And I know I'm going a bit fast, but try and concentrate on the words. I'll be extremely grateful. Whereas sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Almighty Allah alone, comma, and the authority to be exercised by the people of Pakistan within the limits prescribed by him, capital H, is a sacred trust, wherein the state shall exercise its powers and authority through the chosen representatives of the people. Constitution has always wanted democracy, wherein the principles of democracy, comma, freedom, comma, equality, tolerance, and social justice, comma, as enunciated by Islam. तो आपके वो चीफ जस्टिस साहब जो आप कह रहे हैं कि should be the head of the state, वो इधर है, पहले ही है, shall be fully observed. I am only reading the preamble. कहानी तो मैंने पढ़ी नहीं पूरी, अभी पढ़ूंगा भी नहीं. Wherein the Muslims shall be enabled to order their lives in the individual and collective spheres in accordance with the teachings and requirements of Islam as set out in the Holy Quran and Sunnah. Mufti Sahab. Wherein adequate provisions shall be made for the minorities freely to profess and practice their religions and develop their cultures. Madam Huma चली गई, जो वो कादियानीस पे टैक्स की बात कर रही थी. We already have it here. Wherein shall be guaranteed fundamental rights, comma, including equality of status, comma, opportunity and before law, comma, social, economic and political justice, comma, and freedom of thought, comma, expression, comma, belief, comma, faith, worship and association, subject to law and public morality. 2 minutes. Wherein adequate provisions shall be made to safeguard legitimate interests of minorities and backward and depressed classes. And my classic one, wherein the independence of the judiciary shall be fully secured. This is your constitution, preamble, the opening chapter, the opening first 5 lines. आप सिर्फ आर्टिकल 3 पढ़ लें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. Elimination of exploitation, Article 3. The state shall ensure the elimination of all forms of exploitation. The state shall ensure the elimination of all forms of exploitation and the gradual fulfillment of the fundamental principle, from each according to his ability, to each according to his work. And lastly, 4, rights of individuals to be dealt with in accordance with law. To enjoy the protection of law and to be treated in accordance with law is the inalienable right of every citizen, wherever he may be, and of every other person for the time being within Pakistan. In particular, no action detrimental to the life, liberty, body, reputation or property of any person shall be taken except in accordance with law. No person shall be prevented from or be hindered in doing that which is not prohibited by law. And no person shall be compelled to do that which the law does not require him to do. In a nutshell, rule of law, independence of judiciary, Islam is a religion. As far as the law is concerned, you already have the constitution. Stick to it. You don't need more heroes. एक शेर मुझे किसी ने भेजा था few times back and it touched me here. आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों को भी आया होगा. कार्ड भेजा उन्होंने मुझे 14 अगस्त पे. यहाँ पे एक साईं को पता है मुझे याद है वो, तो जस्ट लिख दिया मैंने. And it touches here. जरा गौर से सुने please. Go deep into it. अंजुमन, our association. अंजुमन अपनी किसी ख्वाब की ताबीर से है. अंजुमन अपनी किसी ख्वाब की ताबीर से है, बन गई है तो इसे ख्वाब न होने देना. थैंक यू वेरी मच.